Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make these 3D Rubik's candle cubes. These candles are super easy to make and fun because you can make them any color you want to match your decor. So let's get started. First you will need to take your silicone mold and candle wicks and poke a small hole wherever you want your wicks to be. I wanted mine in the center of the cube, so I used some tweezers to poke the holes. Once you've poked your holes, go ahead and take your candle wicks and feed it through the small hole starting from the bottom. Okay, so once your wicks are in, you're going to go ahead and cut them down. I did about 1/2 inch on each of mine. Once the wax starts to set, you will be able to adjust the bottom of the wicks to be centered in the mold. To make this process easier, you can purchase a wick bar on Amazon. Mine just didn't come in time and I wanted to make these candles to send out to my friends, so I just made it work with what I had. But a wick bar would be much easier. Next, you will need a pot of boiling water and a bowl you can place on the edges of the pot with your wax. Keep this on low heat until the wax has melted down. I then poured my melted wax into a measuring cup or smaller bowls because it was easier for me to pour into the silicone mold. If you want a colored candle, go ahead and mix the mica powder, which is toxic free and made for candle use, in with the wax before pouring it into your mold. Once you've filled all your molds, go ahead and leave this sitting until completely set. It takes a couple hours until the candles are hardened enough to remove from the molds. Once set, remove the candles from the mold and you have yourself a 3D Rubik's candle in whatever color you want to match your aesthetics. If you decide to make these at home, tag me at FarahDTV on Instagram so I can see you make something great. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.